Okay, we have some dragon fruit here. That's in bloom. Loofah. And this is a raspberry vine. And then we have one dragon fruit that's almost ready to eat. And then this other one here. Last year I think I got more fruits. This year is not quite as many. Maybe it's not in season yet. And then look at the apples. Look at all those apples up there. Lots of apple. See. I don't know what variety this is, but it's pretty good. It's chalky, crunchy, and sweet. A bit of a acidic. Ooh, I also spotted a Cherimoya flower, which I'm gonna go grab my pollination kit's tools. So maybe another week or so should be ready to go with the apple. Very delicious. Guava. So here's the trick with this guava. So I learned this. You see these guava? So what you want to do is remove these, because basically it will prevent infections and rots at the bottom of the fruits. Okay, so make sure to remove these. Pretty cool trick. So I usually like to just go around and remove it. Okay, because otherwise the water will get in, and then there's also bugs inside. You know, they'll basically like to hide in there. You see, like this. And just remove it. Okay, it makes it really clean, so prevents bugs attack the fruit. Okay, so I'll be doing it to the rest of the tree. So I'm gonna try to give her a little hand. Yeah. step on it. There you go. So she can help with the weeds. You know, one thing I noticed is that I usually have lots of these grass that travel like crazy, like all over the yard. So ever since I got the chicken, all the grass disappeared, which is good because I don't really want the grass, because it's just like a nuisance to me. So all the grass are gone now. I used to have a lawn, but no more lawn. Okay, and then let's see. Here's the one that I did yesterday. You see this? It's like clean, done. This way it will prevent you know, any kind of bugs attacking the fruit. And in the winter when it rains, you know, it's gonna be causing a rot at the bottom of the fruit. So better to just remove it now and make it clean. Okay, so oops, I accidentally pull it off. Anyway, too many fruits on this tree. There's so many fruits on this guava tree. Funny story. It used to be a really big tree too, and I tried to transplant it and ended up killing the transplanted part, and then this part, you know, somehow it grew out of the ground. I didn't even know. So it just grew back, you know. So it didn't die, but the other, the main tree I pulled out, it just didn't make it. So many fruits on this tree. It's still flowering too. So. Oh, this is a galanga. And my corn doesn't look that good because I haven't been watering. It's all dried up now. And look at the basil, so healthy. Look at that. Look at these basil. This is a Thai basil. Look at the large leaves. Oh yeah. This is my bell peppers. And I do this so that she wouldn't be attacking the bell pepper. She loves the bell pepper. So need to protect the plants from the chicken. Okay, I'm gonna remove this. And then I learned a new trick here. Just basically got these, cut them and put it around the pot. Otherwise, they will dig like crazy. The pots. Okay, I'm gonna remove this amaranth. And this is a guck vine. So it survived the winter, I guess it's a bit cold sensitive, but it did survive the winter. And I was gifted this plant. So let's see if it will survive the second winter. This is the other. This is the tree that I removed all the bad leaves the other day. So looks like it's still coming back. I don't know if it's just sunburn or what. Anyway, I'll just leave it like that for now.